People, welcome back to Politics Watch. Now, Jamaican people, local, abroad, whether in Canada, UK, America, anywhere in the world, I want you to answer one question for me. What is a bad man police? This is a question we need to answer because for years and years, Jamaican people have been bragging, promoting, almost showing reverence to so-called bad man police. So the first question I want to know is, what is a bad man police? That's the first question I want you to answer in the comment section for me. Now think about this for a second. Right? When you describe an officer of the law as a bad man police, first of all, bad man police is an oxymoron. Right? And for those of you who are not aware, an oxymoron is a figure of speech which contradicts itself. For example, slow fast, tall midget, ugly cute, hot cold, right? Those things are all contradictory in nature. Bad man police is an oxymoron. You cannot be a bad man police. You have to be either a bad man or a police. A bad man police is like a honest thief. A bad man police is like a good rapist. Right? It's ridiculous. There's no such thing as a bad man police. And Jamaican people need to stop using this term. Right? Now when you think bad man police, a few names come to mind. Arguably the most infamous of all is probably Renita Adams. You have people like Cornwall Biggerford, people like Trinity, Cowboy, Leng. Right? These men over the years have all been branded bad man police. And it's no surprise that most of them have been also accused of wrongdoings. Right? Renita Adams for years was fighting a case. Remember there was the Brayton 7 shooting and there's numerous other wrongdoings he allegedly did. But of course he's an innocent man according to the law. And all the others are also innocent according to the law because they've never been found guilty of anything. So I've put that out there. Even though it's probably foolishness. Now, bad man police, the term bad man police must die. Because we just saw what bad man police do in Spanish Town. The man they will carry out the killings in Spanish Town. Kirk Fraser, Ramon Scott and them youth. Them are bad man police. Now we see what bad man police do. In this, because now we have social media, now we have technology, now information pass faster. It's not like back in the day where we just sit down on veranda and hear fairy tale about, oh, him run going and someone say go save the day all by himself. Now we know say bad man police go around and rob people, shoot people, carry out contract. That's a bad man police. A bad man police by definition is a crook. And that's who you want to praise, that's who you want to put on a pedestal. Acting like they're heroes. You can't be a bad man police. You have to be either a bad man or a police. And I see so-called respectable people in the media trying to glorify this term and glorify men who have this title. You can't be a bad man police, sir. You can be a bad man. Or you can be a police. When if you make up your mind, what you talk about? What are we going to have next? A good rapist? Is that what we're going to promote next? Is a good rapist? Is that what's coming next? A kind child molester? Like what's going on? These terms are contradictory. A peaceful warhead? Come on, you can't be a bad man police. It's an oxymoron. It's ridiculous. How are so-called educated people even promoting this nonsense? People that say, oh, I love them man because they must bad man police. Really? If you're a man of the law, the term bad man cannot be associated with it. The fact that you have bad man associated with it shows that you operate on the boundaries. You operate on the thin line between criminal and law. That's what bad man police is. Bad man police don't follow the law. If you give them a thing, they may shoot the enemy. That's a bad man police. As a matter of fact, every top down in Jamaica's history had a bad man police by his side. Every single one of them. None of them done everyone. None of these police that people big up and talk about them a crime fighter. Them only arrest the man them who couldn't pay them off. That's why none of them never bring down no real top down. Tell me I'm lying, no? Pure little ticky them kill off. Because the top down them had them in their pocket. That's the bad man police on our worship. So tell me again, Jamaican people, what is a bad man police? Because maybe I'm not understanding the term. Because to me that sounds like an oxymoron. Like tall midget. Ugly cute. Right? Bright dunce. So tell me, what is a bad man police? I'm willing to be educated on this subject. So please tell me in the comment section. Jamaican people, I want somebody to clarify for me. What is a bad man police?